the real reason you're afraid of what's coming. Have you ever felt that heavy fear? The one that whispers, "What if things go wrong?" You're not alone. Most people spend their lives worrying about a future that hasn't even happened yet. But what if I told you, the future itself is not the problem, it's how you see it? Welcome to our channel, where we share stories and reflections that can change the way you see life. If you've ever felt lost, afraid, or uncertain about what's coming next, stay with me till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, because here, you'll always find something that brings peace to your heart and light to your mind. The truth is, people fear the future because they don't trust the present. They imagine tomorrow as an enemy, instead of a blank page waiting for their courage. We fear losing what we have. We fear not being good enough. But fear doesn't protect you. It only paralyzes you. Every person you admire today once stood exactly where you are now, uncertain, scared, and unsure. The difference is, they decided to move forward despite the fear. Because courage doesn't mean you don't feel afraid. It means you act even when you do. Remember this: the future is not something to fear. It's something to build. Every choice you make today is a seed. Plant fear, and you'll harvest regret. Plant faith, and you'll harvest peace. So, take a deep breath. Stop worrying about what's coming. Start shaping it with faith, effort, and hope. If this message touched your heart, hit the subscribe button, because this channel is where fear ends and wisdom begins. You're not alone on this journey. We walk it together.